Now, I want you to imagine what if you can click one button and also watch a simple video as well as you can able to make money online. I mean, exactly how amazing is that? So, in just a moment, I will show you how you can watch simple videos just like this video right here and you can start making money online, just like all of these guys who are from different parts worldwide. For example, these people $5, 23 US, even up to 43 US. So when you go down below, you can see that literally hundreds and thousands of people earn money online right here on the website by just watching videos. So here is how much money you can earn from simply watching one video. You can earn 3 US. So when you watch 5 videos, you get made $15. And also when you watch 20 videos, you receive $60. As well as when you watch 50 videos, you can earn $150. I mean, just how amazing is that? And all you need is simply a smartphone and you don't need any experience at all. You can start earning money online for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. So pay attention because in this video I will show you how to sign up for a free account. And also I reveal to you which videos will pay you for one of the most amounts of cash. And on the top of that I will show you step by step exactly how to do this, so that you can start making money as well as get paid from today. So make sure you don't miss out on any essential steps. Before we get involved in the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, drop a like and share it with your friends and family. Now let's get into the video. So right now to start with, I desire you to go on to google.com and I wish you to search on this keyword which is Twitch TV. As well as I want you to press on the search button and also you are able to locate the first link right here, Twitch TV. I desire you to click this web link and that's going to take you to this page as you can see right here. And you can find various videos and various channels that you can search for definitely free. As well as most of these videos I revealed are gaming videos. So we will make use of videos just like this one right here. And also we are going to make a lot of money online as you can see right here. $9 US, $5, $43, even up to hundreds of dollars as you can see right here. So first of all, I want you to click on this browse button right on the top and after that you will come to this web page. You can browse different categories of videos that you can watch on this website. So right now when you go down below, as you can see, there are different categories of videos that you can watch. I want you to focus on the Fortnite category because this is one of the most popular gaming videos. Now I want you to enter and click on this category right here. That's going to take you to this page as you can see right here under the Fortnite category, and this one right here has more than 47 million followers as you can see. There are a lot of people interested exactly in this category of videos. So right here when you scroll down below, you can find each of these videos that you can actually watch and make money online. So right now on the following step, I want you to go on to this website which is ok.io. So this is the website that we will use to watch simple videos similar to this. And after that we can make a great deal of money online as you can see here. So don't worry, since this is very simple and I also want to show you everything right in this video. So generally this is how it works. Currently, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you can sign up for a cost-free account on this website and then you are able to shorten a lengthy URL link. So say for example, I click on copy. I copied this video link right here and I'm going to return to this website as well as I will paste this Twitch TV web link right here. And I'm just going to click on this button right here to shorten the web link. So right here as you can see, this is the shortened link that's provided by this website. Whenever people click on this shortened link right here, I'm able to earn money online and depends upon who click on my web link, I'm able to earn different amount of money. Say for example, people from Germany, when they click on my web link, I can earn $4 US. If people from the US click on my web link, I am able to make $4.10. So when I scroll down below, you can see depending upon what country they are coming from and also where they click my web link, I am able to earn different amounts of money. And that's exactly how each of this goes below from different parts of the world. They are able to earn money online even up to hundreds of dollars by sharing a video link right here on this website. As you can see right here, over 526,000 users now utilize this website and earn money online. It provides different payment options for you, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your preferred payment procedure in your country. Now, I intend to show you just how to sign up for a free account. And you can click on the sign up button right on the top. After that, you are going to come over to this web page where you can register a new membership for absolutely free. So right here, just put in your username, your email address, confirm your password right here and click on this I'm not a robot and click on the submit button. As simple as that. So right now, as you can see right here, you can log into your brand new account. So right on the statistics, which is on the home page, you can see how many people click on your link and how much cash you earned right here on this website. So because this is a brand new account and you will have one shortened link, you can see $0 here. So right now, I want to show you a real life example. Make sure you keep watching until the end to see everything. So to start with, I desire you to return to Twitch TV and the Fortnite category. So right below, we are going to locate 3 videos. I click on this video right here, the first video and the second video and the third video. So right here, as you can see, this is the first video that I opened up and also this is the second video and this one the third video. So right now, we are going to go back to the very first video. Once again, I want you to scroll down below and click on the share button. As well as I want you to copy this video URL link right here. Click on copy, then you will return to your dashboard right inside your account. Then you will paste this Twitch TV link right here. And also I want you to click shorten. So right here, as you can see, this website will automatically help us shorten this link into a much shorter OK link right here. So right now you will click on copy. Then I want to give you this done for you script right here. It's actually my Fortnite video post, which is 100% free that you can copy and paste. So right here, I give an introduction about this game and then I will say something like this for more Fortnite videos. Click the link below to watch now. And this is where you need to paste the link after 3 videos right here. So whenever people click on this link, you can earn money all night. Say for example, under the very first video, I am going to paste the shortened web link right here. As you can see below, this is my initial URL link. So that whenever people click on my link right here and depend upon which country they are coming from, I could make different amounts of money. Say for example, when people from Norway click my link, I am able to earn $3. So now we are going to repeat the same thing. We will go on to the second video right here. Just repeat a step, click the share button and copy this long URL link. Click on copy. Once again, we are going to return to our account and then we are going to delete this one right here. Click on delete. And currently, we are going to paste the new link right here after the second video and click the shorten button. Once more, this website will automatically help you to shorten the link and also copy this link. Click on copy and I will go back to this template right here and paste the second web link right here on the video 2, as you can see. So right now, if you are able to follow the step and if you are still watching this video, I desire you to like this video and also comment down below and let me know you are still following and finding out right now. And finally, we are going to the third video and scroll down below. Click the share button as well as copy this video web link right here. Once again, go back to our account, delete everything, paste the new link of the third video and click on shorten. As well as lastly, this is our third web link right here. Click copy. And currently, we are going to return to a script and paste the link right here. And that's everything you need to do. I'm going to give you the entire template right here that you can copy and paste. And after that, you will need to put in your 3 links right here. So ultimately, on the last step, I want you to go to this forum.pcgamer.com. This is a highly famous forum that people were discussing about various gamings, including Fortnite videos. And the reason why I love this forum is that this is 100% free and also it's available worldwide. As well as this is a lot of discussion going on and people are talking about gaming. So, as you can see right here, under the PC gaming discussion, under general gaming, there are over 30,000 messages right here and over 700 posts. Say for example, when I click this link, that's going to take you to this web page, as you can see here. You can find different posts and also different people are writing extremely very simple posts and also getting a lot of views. As you can see right here, 200 views, 26,000 views, 100 views, and also there are numerous opportunities right here on this website. As you can see here, when you search on the Fortnite keyword, you can see that many people are discussing this topic. There is a great deal of demand right on this gaming videos category today. As you can see right here on Twitch TV, over 74 million people follow the Fortnite videos. This forum is an excellent place to copy and paste and share this template right here with other people inside the forum. After that, whenever people click on your web link right here, the even more time people click on your link, and depending upon what country they are coming from, you can make money online. That's exactly how all this go. And you are able to make money online right here on this website. That's all I want to show you in this video. Let me know how much money you earn online by using this video in the comments below. If you get value out of this video, then don't forget to like it, share it with people. If you want to watch videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.